Are you thinking it's a good idea to start trading Forex? Did you just go for a seminar where someone made a ton of money trading in front of you? Or perhaps your high school friend asked you out and came up to you with flashy cars and designer clothes? I really hate those Forex people. They are absolutely a bunch of scammers. I completely respect all those who are professionally trading Forex, but for the most of them are just running a pyramid scheme. I personally am a fundamental investor. I invest in companies that I believe will grow in the long run. I look through annual reports and take into account their liabilities, their earnings, growth. If you want to make a huge profit out of next year's crash or hype, check out my video on the end screen or click in the link in the description box down below. Why do I do fundamental investing? In my opinion, fundamental investing is not the zero-sum game, unlike Forex trading or any other trading for that matter. A zero-sum game means that a person has to lose in order for another person to benefit. For example, if I want to benefit and profit, another person has to lose money. Whereas fundamental investing will never really happen that way. You invest in a company, other people invest in the company grows, you grow together with the company. Nobody actually loses in that sense. I'm going to reveal the biggest scam in the Forex industry at the end of the video, so stay tuned. The first reason why I think gambling in a casino is better than Forex is because Forex gives you false hope. For most people, gambling in a casino can be quite addicting, but at least you're not sold on the idea that you can be a full-time gambler and make a living out of it.
Yo, what's up guys? I just made $100 million from one single trade. One single trade. I can show you the evidence in my phone. And honestly, that's the worst one yet. $100 million on one single trade. Can you believe that? So I'm feeling generous today. So from my cost, as you can see right down below, is $49,999.99. I'm gonna give you a discount because I'm feeling so generous today, but I can't give it to you for free because that would be just a waste of my efforts. So the cost down below for $49,999.99, I'm gonna be charging only $499.99. And I'm not doing it for the money, I'm just doing it to help you guys. Only to help you guys. I don't care about money. Honestly, the money that you give it to me, I'm just gonna burn it. I'm just gonna burn it because 499, what's that? I don't even know what's the meaning of 499. It's disgusting to me. So sign up now so that you can get a free course and a free nipple. And peace out.
If this is not a pyramid scheme or multi-level marketing, I don't know what is. Secondly, there is no strategy in terms of currency trading for most of the traders. But yet people can still consider that as a full-time job. And the worst part is, in Malaysia, especially in Malaysia, Forex traders are not actually earning money trading Forex, but selling their courses. Another way for them to earn money is collecting the commission from every trade that their downlines make. For example, if I recruit someone and he buys my course and I teach him how to trade, every time he trades, I'll get a commission. So I'm earning two streams of income from one individual. They don't care if you make a profit or lose money. All they care about is you continue trading.
The only problem you're gonna have is that you didn't buy more. Sound fair enough?
The house always wins as long as you keep gambling. The Forex market allows their traders to leverage 400 to 1, which can lead to massive gains in some cases, but to others crippling losses as well. Not only does it magnify your losses, but it also increases the transaction cost as a percent of account value. At least a casino does not charge you a transaction fee every time you place your bets. 4. The unrealistic expectation of Forex traders on social media. Out of 1 million people, only about 100 of them actually succeed in Forex trading. Honestly, the odds are pretty bad for everyone. And yet Forex gurus claim that anyone can do it and that they have helped countless of people. Come on guys, look at the ratio. It's 100 out of 1 million. With these kind of odds, I'd rather dump my money on black in roulette. As I mentioned in the video earlier, I'm going to reveal the biggest scam that is in the Forex industry and why most people get fooled to joining them. If you're unfamiliar with what this term is, it means a tendency to search or favor information in a way that confirms or supports one's prior beliefs. Take a fortune teller for example. One day I approached a fortune teller because even though I don't believe in luck, there's a tiny part of me that wants to believe in it, to use it for my advantage. The fortune teller then tells me that I'm going to get a girl of my dreams within the next 12 months. Because of that, I started trying to talk to girls, got rejected a million times, and finally got that one girl out with me. And then that girl became my girlfriend. Does that mean the fortune teller predicted my future? It's the same when it comes to Forex. All they want is the hook. Here's how it goes. You get 10 signals from an expert trader, and so happen 3 of them profited you. Of course, you're not going to remember the incorrect signals, which is the majority of them, 7 out of 10. You'll be like, oh my god, that guy's a genius. Even if all the 10 signals were wrong, because of confirmation bias, you will just believe that it's the randomness of the market that caused this problem. You won't think it's his fault or his inexperience. So either way, he's the hero. Get it? If you don't get it, comment in the comment box down below. Or if you disagree with me, comment in the comment box down below. And then a lot of people ask, why is he then so confident in terms of trading in front of people? I don't mean to say that he's going to lose most of the time. What I'm saying is that the times when he wins or he makes you win, you're going to give the credit to him. But the times when he does not make you win and make you lose, or he himself loses, he's going to push the blame to other things like the randomness of the market, you yourself not being disciplined, you yourself not making the right decisions. When it comes to good, he's going to take all the credit. When it comes to bad, he's going to push all the blame on everything else. And that's what Forex is. So if you ask me, why does he then dare to trade in front of you? It's because it doesn't matter if he wins or loses, because you are only going to remember the times when he wins. And for the times he loses, you're just going to forget it. And this is why I consider trading Forex is even worse than gambling in a casino. At least you don't have the false hope that you can make playing blackjack your full-time job. Whereas tons of people out there are actually taking trading currencies as their full-time job. And a lot of people still believe that trading currencies is based on their personal skill. It's not. It's luck. At least in a casino, you know yourself that you don't have any control whatsoever in terms of winning or losing. But in the Forex industry, you feel like you have all the control in the world. Technically, to sum it all up, Forex is just a casino in disguise. If you have money, start learning how to invest the right way. I'll put another investing video at the end screen and in the description box down below. You can start by managing your risk by purchasing an insurance plan. This will help by reducing the unexpected events that will cost you a lot of money. Then the next step is to put a portion of your money into a retirement fund. If you're in Malaysia, you can put it into EPF, or if you're in the US, you can put it into IRA. Basically, whatever country you're in, just put it in your government's retirement fund. And last but not least, if you have money left over, just put it all into S&P 500. Just a disclaimer, this is for those of you who do not know anything about investing at all. If you know how to invest, you know where to put your money in the right places. S&P 500 is a stock market index that measures the stock performance of the 500 largest listed companies in the US stock exchange. If you put your money in there, you are basically investing in Tesla, Apple, Google, Facebook, Amazon, and so on and so forth. So you can be very assured that your money is safe in there. Just don't panic sell. Put your money in there and forget it ever existed. If you want to start investing in Malaysia, just go to any bank and ask them if you can buy stocks from the New York Stock Exchange. And always ask how much is the commission rate. But in comparison, eToro is a much better place to invest in the US stocks because the commission fee is much lower than the banks here in Malaysia. And the reason to that is because the banks here are supporting you to invest in Malaysian stocks, not the US stocks. It's safe and regulated, nothing to worry about. And with all that said, if you agree with my opinion, like this video, comment and subscribe. Anyway, for any advice or questions you have, please comment in the comment box down below. And I'll see you guys next time.
Never